Hello, my little YouTubers. Okay, I got a custom order today. This is for Aki, and he's a landlord of my local bar, the Four Chiefs in Lepavara. It's a bit sad, so let's clean it up a little bit. This is just quad zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch it. It just cleans it up a bit. Yeah, this is my local bar. Great bar. Good music, good staff. They always make you feel welcome. Okay, first of all, we've got to punch a hole in it. Make sure I've got the right punch for the right hole. Okay. Yeah, Aki, I tried making you a 70. But man, your finger's the same as mine, man. You know, you got fingers like bananas. Same as me. So I'm going to have to make this an X size, which is a size 66. Right, let's go to Big Bertha and punch a hole in it for you. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. Yeah, I tried making one earlier, just about an hour ago for you, out of a normal coin. And it's just too much, it's split. There is limits to what you can do. So, it's going to have to go on your other finger. Glad I measured it. I'll give you the slug as well. I mean, this is 35% silver. Right. Okie dokie. So first, we want to clean it up with Christy burr. We want to clean up the edge. It's a bit sad. And this just cleans up the edge. You want to make sure there's no cracks or splits for me. Otherwise, your ring is going to split. And who the hell wants a split ring? Not me. I doubt if Aki wants a split ring. There you go. You've still got a bit of the date there. That might, some of that might disappear when I start folding it. So let's show it some love with Bernie the fire starter. That Mr. Nippy. Okay, that's annealed. And I'd have thought, what we got there? Yeah, I think this is going to have to be sunny side up on the ring, so that's going to go face down. So this is a 17-degree folding die. Right, let's go over to Big Red and this is my folding cone. Oh my god. Stuff everywhere. I've been making glass all bloody day. Where's my folding cone? I can use this one. Oh, there it is. Stupid boy. Okay. This is called folding. You know, it's sandy, and you just want to make sure that there's no splits forming or cracks. It's a bit sad there, whatever that is. Right, there we go. That's good. Right, now we go over to our favourite tool, which is spike. And this is a ring stretcher. Sounds painful, but it's not that bad. This little device stretches your ring. It's weird doing custom orders because you don't want it to go wrong. Okay. So far, so good. Let's give it a bit more love with Bernie. This is just annealing, makes the metal a bit softer. Yeah, what I like about the Four Chiefs is they play really good music as well. It's not loud enough, by the way. Turn it up. But the staff there are great. They really look after you. And this wants to be a 66. What have we got so far? EU size, this is a size, at the moment it's a 61. I want to go to 66. Keep going. The kitchen roll just stops you losing the detail from the inside of the ring. Right, what are we looking at now? This is a nice 65, nearly. How are we looking? Is it splitting? No, it's still looking okay. So, Aki, we're getting there, man. This could still go pear-shaped though, fella. Right, what we got now? That is now 66 nearly. So I want to go a bit bigger because then I have to reduce it to straighten the walls up, because you can see they're a bit sad. They're a little bit coned. Oh, they're not looking too bad, but I've got to go a bit more. But you don't want to go too much, otherwise you're going to damage it. Focus, hocus pocus by focus. Jesus, wet focus. 67, a bit more. Am I pushing my luck? Okay, you've got big fingers, man. I tried with a normal coin earlier on and it split. This is 35% silver, so okay, that's about 68 nearly. So now we go over to the bottom end of spike, and these are reducing dies. This is what reduces the ring and straightens up the horse, hopefully. You've got different sizes on both sides of the reducer. How's that looking? Are the walls straight? No, not quite yet. What size have we got? Well, I've got to cut this out as well, so let's keep going. That's better. See, the walls are straight. What size have we got? This is now a 65, but there's an inside lip there. We want to cut that out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. This also makes the ring a little bit bigger, so what we got now? That's 65.25. There's still a bit in there, but at least it hasn't split. Hockey, your ring hasn't split, man. Not yet anyway. We're nearly there. There's still a bit there. That's better. Right, what are we looking at now? This is now a, oh, it's close to 66. Let's just take it back to spike again and give it a couple of little hoochie coochies. .66. There you go, dude. Spot on 66. Now what I'll do is I'll polish it up. I will not clear coat this ring until I see you probably Friday. And then if you're happy with it, I'll take it back and clear coat it. But if you want it slightly adjusted, I can adjust the size for you. This is quad zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch your ring, it just cleans it up, gets the fire scale off. Because it's pointless me clear coating this and then you want it slightly larger or slightly smaller, then it's going to ruin the clear coat. So there you go, mate. You got all the text on there. And that's why you use kitchen roll on the inside. There's not a lot of detail on the inside, but what there is, you've still got. and you've got a little bit of the date. I had to use a slightly larger punch because your fingers, man, are huge like mine, so not much I could do about that. Us big fingers, guys, we can't help it. Let's get some polish on it. Oops-a daisy. And I'd like to thank you, mate, for support, for putting up the posters in your bar. Really appreciate it. Right, let's clean the mandy pandies and put in not Kate Bush. Let's take Kate Bush out and put in Felton John. I'm still standing. Yeah, right. This is just a felt pad. So if you're about Friday, I'll come in Friday, and we can you can try your ring on. Then I'll bring it back home. I'll clear coat it for you, and I'll pop it in next time I come. At the end of the video, my girlfriend finishes cleaning them up because my fingers are still covered in polish and oil and God knows what, Weetabix or, you know. But they shine up really good. Especially ones with some silver in them. I've got some 80% finished silver coins as well. Right. There you go, Ucky. 135% silver. Saw me on Markka coin. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. And I'll see you Friday if you're about. Take it easy. Hey, now come in.